the day that we had planned. It is our end year party. Since we know that by the end of the year we always do some party, and during the party we also have a appraisal. So this is Riz restaurant, and Riz restaurant has two sections. It has various sections, and this day we have restaurant, we have production, we have the office of the store, then we have the security and many other departments. So today we are going to appreciate our staff. And there are so many ways of appreciating our staff. Number one thing is to motivate them and to give them some gifts. So number one staff did well, because in as much as everyone did well, we have that one person who did so well. So now our best staff for the day is Catherine Sigmund. She hit the target. She was good at timekeeping, and she also targeted the company in a very special way. So at this time of the hour, I'm going to have a present for her as we be continuing. So Catherine, this is your gift. We were looking forward to our